it's Chef Colleen, co-author of the Diabetes-Free Cookbook and Exercise Guide with Dr. John Poothullil. And today I'd like to share some tips about quinoa. Quinoa is an ancient food. A lot of people think it's a grain and they stay away from it, but it's actually a seed that's been cultivated for 7,000 years, and it's becoming more and more popular, and there's a lot of good reason for that. It's very high in protein. It also has a lot of fiber, and it doesn't have as many carbohydrates as other grains. So as a seed, it's a great addition to many recipes. Quinoa comes in a lot of different colors. You can see here I've got 3 colors of quinoa. I've got kind of white, yellow, and red, and black. Now, the darker the quinoa, the more nutritional content it has. So the black quinoa is the richest and also has the most strongest flavor. The lighter quinoa has a more mild taste, it's more fluffy, it has less nutrients, but it's still very, very helpful for part of a diabetic-friendly diet. The proteins in quinoa are 95% digestible, so they're really a great substitute for other kinds of meat or animal products, and also they help keep you feeling full longer. So if you want to keep your blood sugar low, it's a great thing to add to your diet. Oh look! I just found some brownies I made with quinoa flour. They're healthy and delicious, and you can find the recipe for that in the Diabetes-Free Cookbook and Exercise Guide. Thanks for watching.
Hi. Chef Colleen tells me that these brownies are made without wheat, gluten-free, low in sugar, high in protein, and absolutely delicious. So let's give one a try. They are so chocolatey. You would never believe that these are made with quinoa flour and no wheat. They're absolutely delicious. Very flavorful. You should try one.